Hey there everyone, it's Brendan from Crypto 101 here, and in today's video, we're going to be learning how to swap the Mple Finance token for their new ecosystem token that's called Syrup. Now luckily they made the process pretty easy on us, and to kick things off, all we need to do is go to the exchange or wallet that we have our Mple inside of. Now for me, I have my Mple inside of the Coinbase exchange, as I'm sure a lot of the listeners do as well, so that's where we're going to start things off. Now, if we go right over to the Coinbase homepage, as we can see right here, we're going to want to find the Send Crypto button that is right on the right-hand side. Now, once we go ahead and click on this, it's going to bring up a new tab. And from here, we're going to need to click on the part that says Bitcoin. Now, we're going to go ahead and type in the words Mple from here to bring up our Mple Finance token. And now I just need to choose an address to send this to. Now, for the sake of this video, I'm going to be using a Coinbase wallet, but you can certainly use another wallet like MetaMask or something else as well. So in order to do this, I'm going to go ahead and click the To button. And now I'm going to go over, open up my desired wallet, and I need to make sure that I get my receive or deposit address. Now from this, I'm going to click Receive. I'm going to click your Ethereum address, and I'm going to go ahead and click Copy. And from here, I'm going to go back to the Coinbase website and exchange, and I'm going to go ahead and paste this in. Now it already knows that this is my wallet. I pasted it in, I hit the control button on my keyboard, and now I have my Mple loaded up, I have my wallet loaded in, and all I have to do left is say, hey, how much Mple do I want to send over? Now I'm going to be swapping all of my Mple, so I'm going to go ahead and just hit the max button, and now I can go ahead and preview send. So it's going to ask me if I want to do this. It's going to say, hey, you're doing this on the Ethereum network, just to make sure that I have everything right. And I'm going to go ahead and click Send Now. I might ask for a little bit of security code, which is always a good thing. So we'll see if this comes in. And, we'll probably just do this live on the video just so everyone gets a full step-by-step process of how to do this thing from start to finish. And again, it should just take a momentary or a few moments, really at the most. So boom, our Mple has been sent. It's already been approved. And now we can go ahead and click done. Probably give this a few seconds. It said it could take up to 41 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and just click on my wallet up here. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And again, as they said, it could take up to 41 seconds. So we'll give this just a second. We might have to cut back in here after this all loads in, but it's already there. So maybe we won't. So now that we have our Mple loaded into our wallet, in this case, the Coinbase wallet, I can go over to Maple's website. Now, this part of the process is crucial because you don't want to go anywhere else. You don't want to do this anywhere else. You want to go to maple.finance. If you are having a hard time finding this, then I would say go to CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, find the official Mple page, and then you can go to their website from there. So again, it's maple.finance, and at the top of the page, they have this big thing that says, hey, Syrup is live, convert your Mple to Syrup today. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on this. It's gonna bring me over to a new tab. And from here, I can go ahead and click Connect Wallet. Now, if I do this, it's gonna say, hey, what wallet would you like to use? I'm gonna click on Coinbase. I'm gonna click Connect. And then it should just take a few moments. So here, my Mple is already loaded in. I can go ahead and swap out my 61.13 Mple for 6,112.99 Syrup. And I can go ahead and do this as well. Now, actually, I'm going to go ahead and cancel this because one thing that I just thought about is that it's going to say, hey, do you want to stake this from the get-go? And if you don't, you can uncheck this. If you do want to go ahead and just stake it from the get-go, you can do that as well, and you can start earning a yield on your Syrup tokens. But if you just want to go straight to the conversion, whether you want to stake it or not, all you have to do is click Convert. It's going to ask you for a transaction. I'm going to go ahead and approve this. Give it just a few seconds. Go ahead and convert this again. And boom, our conversion is complete. So now, if we go over to our wallet again, which we're going to go ahead and load up, we're going to see that we now have, and maybe it'll take a second, but here is our syrup token. So we now have our 6,112.9 syrup token, and that is just sitting inside of our wallet. So when it comes to transferring your Mple to syrup, again, very luckily here, they made the process simple for us, and that's all there is to it. So I hope all of you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and until next time, we'll see you in the next tutorial.